we'll guide you through how to install Excalidraw on Obsidian. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Obsidian on your computer and load the vault where you want to use Excalidraw. After everything is ready, move your mouse cursor to the bottom left corner of the window and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. In the settings window, look at the sidebar on the left and select Community Plugins. If Community Plugins are currently disabled, click the button labeled Turn on Community Plugins to enable support for third-party extensions. Once Community Plugins are enabled, locate the Community Plugins section and click the Browse button to open the plugin marketplace. Wait for the plugin browser to load completely. At the top of the plugin browser, click the search box and type Excalidraw. Give Obsidian a moment to display the search results. When the results appear, locate the Excalidraw plugin and click on it to open the details page. Review the plugin information if you would like to learn more about its features and capabilities. When you are ready to proceed, click the Install button and wait for the installation process to finish. After the plugin has been installed successfully, click the Enable button to activate it inside your vault. Verify that the plugin now shows as enabled and ready for use. Once everything is configured correctly, close the settings window and return to the main Obsidian workspace. Next, look at the ribbon toolbar on the left side of the application window. Locate the icon labeled Create a new Excalidraw drawing. Click this icon once to create a new Excalidraw file within your vault. Obsidian will automatically generate the file and open it for editing. Wait for the Excalidraw canvas to load completely, then verify that the drawing area appears correctly on your screen. You now have a fully functional Excalidraw workspace integrated directly inside Obsidian. From this point forward, you can create diagrams, sketches, mind maps, visual notes, and other drawings without leaving your vault.